What's happening, guys? Jason with 316, and yeah, it's been a hot minute since I've actually posted up a build log update, and there's a real reason for that. I've been liquidating some stuff. I got the Corvette. You saw the shifter video on that, but I haven't really posted an update on the Buick, and I was getting ready to put the vinyl top on it, and the top was just not fitting quite right. The back of it looked like it was going to wrinkle up real bad, and I couldn't figure out what was going on, and I was procrastinating about it. And it's like, well, one part of me said, hey, you know, just stick it on there and whatever happens happens. Other part of me wanted to do it right, so I fiddled around with it. I finally just said, screw it, I'm putting this off too much, I'm procrastinating on it, I'm just going to start gluing stuff. But right as I was about to start this, I looked at it and I realized I had the top on wrong. I had it shifted too far forward, and it was causing it to pucker. So I shifted it back and everything showed up. I was going to film the process of putting the vinyl top on, but whenever I do videos, I prefer to be able to focus entirely on you rather than on what I'm doing. And on this particular case, it was kind of a, you only get one shot to get it right, so you better get it right the first time. So I figured it'd be better off just to stick it on there and give you an update on it. But the car's exterior is pretty much done. It's just some minor stuff, cleaning up overspray, filling in the bumper inserts, and some trim work on it. But the most majority of the outside of it is done. So I'll take you on a quick walk around. We'll see what's what. Now, the paint is not the best on it, but white does me a lot of favors, and especially in the bright sun, you can't hardly see a lot of the problems on it. You've seen some of the walk around, but here's where we are on the vinyl top, which honest to God came out a lot better than I was hoping for, a lot better than I was expecting. So all of the rust and everything that was in here is all gone. It's all trimmed back up. A couple of the seams got off a little bit, but again, it's kind of a, once it's stuck, it's stuck. But yeah, and you can see all the way. I mean, this was all rusted out through here. There was a mail slot of rust in there, all fixed. But yeah, that's pretty much what's been going on here. This took me about 4 or 5 days worth of gluing and letting dry and then stretching and everything else. It was a gigantic pain in the butt, but it's done. It's done. The outside of the car is pretty much done. And again, it didn't come out perfect, but considering in April, March or April, it was sitting over there on the ground, literally rotting to the ground, and nothing on it ran hardly anymore. The tires were shot. It was literally right on the frame. That's not too bad. That's not too bad at all. I'm very happy with how it came out. But yeah, that's been the update on it. So yeah, that's pretty much been the update on it. The exterior is all but done. Like I said, there's a little bit of airbrushing I need to do around the door trim and everything. But we're going to be moving on to the interior, and I'll have a lot more videos on that because it's not near as complex as, say, the exterior and the vinyl top was. And it's not near as boring. So we'll be doing the interior on the car, getting the headliner back in. We'll have to pull the transmission and knock the seal in. That should fix our leak issue. I'll check the rear main and everything on that. So exciting stuff is coming on the car in the next few months. It'll be done, and we'll be moving on to other projects. So start of the new year, we'll probably be starting out on the Cadillac again. So stick with the channel. There's going to be some exciting stuff upcoming. As always, thanks for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you enjoyed these videos and you want to see more.